Germark was founded in 1958 by my father. Now we are celebrating the 60th anniversary. Nowadays we are 110 employees. Our turnover last year was 13.25 million euros. We were the first label printer in Spain investing in digital technology for labels. It was in 2000. We are in the premium label market for big brands. More than 50% of our business is for health and beauty, perfumes, all this stuff, and we are strong as well in promotional labels. Over the 60 years of history of the company, we have won many awards from the industry, from FINA, GLMI, Grammy, other associations. But one we have been very proud is that we had the first Guinness World Records for the longest label that we have printed with our first digital press. The continuous trend I am seeing is that the shorter runs and more SKUs, so it means that the digital printing is a must, and the exigence of quality printing of the customers. And at least we have decided for Domino, for the double wide technology that you have to make textures. This is very convenient for our customers to switch from silk screen to inkjet UV. Since we're investing in inkjet, we have two cases. One case is, for example, one customer that we used to print in digital liquid toner and flexo. We are making all the offer in UV inkjet. And the other case is customers that we print analog silk screen, where the prepress is very expensive. We are switching them to UV inkjet.
We use now currently the machine during one shift. We are training two other operators for one shift more, and after moving to the third shift. When you approve 10 designs at the same time, okay? In the conventional, it can take 2 days for that, okay? With Domino, it's maybe 3 hours, because in one shot you can print all the design together to see the results and repeat if it is necessary. In conventional printing, for a full process color design, you can waste maybe 200 or 300 meters, okay? In the case of Domino, it's practically zero. We only print 20 meters more, only to compensate the waste on the converting machine.
Hemos conseguido, con la ayuda del espectrofotómetro, realizar colores de muestra de nuestros clientes con una efectividad muy alta, con tan solo 2 o 3 muestras impresas en la inkjet y luego leídas en el espectrofotómetro. Una de las ventajas que le encuentro a la N610 es la consistencia de color. O sea, hemos descubierto que de un día a otro o incluso de un trabajo a otro, manteniendo los mismos parámetros de preimpresión de cada uno de los tonos de color, la realidad es prácticamente igual.
A 50 metros son muchos metros, poder tener variaciones, subidas y bajadas de color. Por experiencia en otros mundos del mundo gráfico también, otras máquinas, y en esta máquina puedo decir que la consistencia es muy buena, las texturas son muy interesantes.
The free advantage of printing in inkjet, Domino inkjet, is first the speed. The speed is now very competitive to the speed to conventional flexo in UV. The second one is a perfect registration, a very good registration. And the third one is screen imitation.
En mi opinión, los principales beneficios en estos 4 meses que llevamos trabajando con la N610 se basan básicamente en la velocidad de la máquina, su consistencia de color, un setup muy fácil de preparar a nivel de preparación de impresión y además un mantenimiento bajo, realmente muy bajo.
No he tenido experiencias con otros sistemas, doy un 10 en el soporte técnico, sobre todo también por proximidad, muy te hacen sentir muy cómodo y nos entendemos muy bien hasta el día de hoy, satisfecho.
We only had the Domino for 4 months, but we are happy with the press, and we are converting jobs from silk screen and from flexo and from liquid toner to that new press, and we have good results up to now.